Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable full screen in split screen view in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, open settings in your phone and then go to advanced features. Go to advanced features and here click on multi window and turn on swipe for split screen. Okay, it is turned on. Okay, then if you want to enable full screen in split screen view, you go to turn on this button. Okay, before that, understand that what is full screen in split screen view. Suppose I did not I did not enable this function full screen. So split screen will have limited area. Okay, that is split screen will not use full screen. Okay, see the instruction here. Hide the status and navigation bars so you can see more of each app. So status bar and navigation bar will not be included in normal split screens. I open a split screen pair here. Okay, see here. This is one of the pair I already used for split screen. Okay, this is Google Play Store and this is Google Chrome. So I have opened two screen at the same time using split screen, but it did not use full screen above. That is status bar and navigation bar. Status bar and navigation bar are not covered in the first split. Okay, also this area, that is navigation bar, are not covered in the second one. Okay, so if you want to get full screen view for both split, yes, you can do it. Just you can hide this area and cover with this split, and so for that purpose you can enable full screen for split screen. Okay, for that what you have to do is just you go to turn on this button, full screen in split screen view. Just turn on this button, so that what will happen, see here, see the bottom side, bottom split, navigation bar are hidden now, and navigation bar space are occupied by the second split. Okay, in the similar way the first split can be occupied. First split will occupy that status bar and notification area. Okay, so in this way you can easily use split screen for both split. Okay, if you have turned on that button. Okay, if you don't want to use this option, just turn off this button, full screen in split screen view. So full screen is disabled for split screen view. Check it now. See here, full screen is not used to find two splits. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.